इस पेशेंट के लेफ्ट किडनी में डबल कलेक्टिंग सिस्टम है, ठीक है। तो अल्ट्रासाउंड पे देखते हैं कि डुप्लेक्स रीनल पिल्विकल सिस्टम कैसे नजर आता है, ठीक है। पेशेंट इज इन लेफ्ट लैटरल पोजीशन, you can see the kidney, this is cortex, and the echogenic one is the medulla of the kidney. This is upper pole, this is lower pole. You can see the cortex is indenting deep into this sulcus, separating this one uh, renal sinus from the other renal sinuses. This is the gap. You can see this black line. Normally in the kidney, you don't see the partition between the within the renal sinus. So this is a double collecting system. Let me make it more clear. You can see this is one renal sinus echogenic. This is the other one, and this is the cortex breaching the indenting the two renal sinuses. So it is actually a double collecting system on ultrasound. This is how a double collecting system on ultrasound looks like.